Well, hello everyone. Today, or last time I said I was going to show you how to do a little bit of customization inside of MicroStation. So let's get to it and I'll show you a few tricks that I use to make my life a little bit easier. Especially if you get into configurations and you manage MicroStation a lot. These are a couple tricks that I always use. So I'm just going to open up MicroStation and open up a file. Let's just browse to one of these files and I'll just open something up. One of my favorite things to do is to customize this bar up here. You notice that there's a few things in here. There's things like print and save settings and compress options. But the one that I really like is element selection because this thing allows me to be in any tool and always jump out. So the one that bugs me the most is when you're placing text and you want to break out of it and you right click, and you notice I'm hitting right click now and it's not taking me out of that. The best way to get out of it is to get the element selection tool, and that snaps me out of it. So if I have that readily available to me, it's a quick way to get out of some of those tools that are always in the way. Another thing that I like to do is come down here to customize the quick access toolbar, and I'll find tools that I like to use. Well, here, I'll remove these. I had these already in here as customizations, but show you how I get to them. I come down and I find design file settings, which is really important when you're setting up a drawing. It's kind of nice to have that one uh, easily available to you. So let's see if I can find it here. Design file settings, and then I just add that to the list. And the other one that I use a lot is configuration variables, because I'm always looking to see how those configuration variables are set. But if you're not a CAD manager, this one probably isn't as important to you. But I like to keep those in place, so I'll hit apply on that. And make sure those things are turned on down here. So turn those on. And now I can quickly get to the design file settings and see if my units are set correctly. So the 304/800 per survey foot, survey feet, and master units, and I usually set mine to 2 decimal places, but some people like 3. But, if I want to change the model, that's a quick way to get to it. Just, boom, it's right there. Or hit that one button and it's right there. You don't have to go back to file and find it all the time. So customizing your ribbon, your quick access toolbar, is kind of a nice way to get to the tools that you want to quickly. The other one that's really handy is hitting the space bar. So if I'm down here in my view and I hit the space bar, notice that there's already tools in here that are available to me. So if I wanted to get, it's 2 clicks this way, spacebar and element selection, but it does speed things up a little bit. If I hit text and I'm in the place text mode and I'm right clicking, can't break out of it, I can hit, what? I guess I can't hit spacebar because, what do you know? I'm placing spaces. That's where this one really comes in handy to play. Then once I'm out of that tool, I can get to any other tool that I want to by either using the tabs at the top or the space bar. Okay, next time I'll go a little deeper into configurations, or probably more into a little bit of that and some more customizations. I'll see you tomorrow.